Hello folks, this is Naeem Aslam, Chief Markets Analyst at AvaTrade, and welcome to our daily fundamental video analysis. When we look at the European markets, the futures were trading to the downside, and then we had a little bit of a flip to the upside, and hence we're seeing the German DAX index, as you can see in the chart, trading to the upside. But a lot of investors and the sentiment among investors is very much focused on what happened on Wall Street yesterday. The question is, what really happened? Well, the US stocks had posted the best August in nearly 34 years. And I am speaking of the major stock index. I'm speaking of the S&P 500 index. I'm speaking of the Dow Jones index as well. Now, specifically with respect to the S&P 500 index, when we look at the monthly run, the monthly gains for the S&P 500 index, we can see that the S&P 500 index has recorded 5 consecutive months of monthly gains. So back to back 5 months of gains. And we haven't seen these consecutive gains for the index since September 2018. So this really has made some investors somewhat cautious that yes, okay, 5 months of gains is a bit too much. Perhaps there could be a retracement for the US stock market. But then there are others who believe that yes, summer months are over, traders are going to come back to the trading desk, and now it is time for the party to be on and to get the party started, right? And because of that, we are going to see a higher highs for the US equity markets. And that is likely to be the focus among institutional traders. But something which is of concern among stock traders is, as you can see in the chart, is the VIX index. The VIX index is still very up, nearly 91% year to date. So of course, there is some sort of anxiety, anxiousness, concerns among investors and traders when they look at the equity market and then they hedge their risk by using this volatility index. Now, to finish off, it is all about Tesla and Apple. Remember, both stocks had their stock splits yesterday, and Tesla had a 5-to-1, Apple had 4-to-1. The stock dropped from above $2,000 to all the way to $440 for Tesla, and for Apple, the stock went from $500 to nearly $134. That's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time.